Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Tecno Spark 10. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Chrome, then click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside, select the passwords and make sure that Save Passwords is on. Then we can go back and open a website we want to save the credentials for. In this case, I'm gonna go with a Facebook. Now enter the credentials. Select login. Okay, so we need to actually give it some proper credentials like that. Now in the top you should see this pop-up. You can update or save your password. If it's a new account, then click on save, and then we can go back to the password settings. Here you'll find your credentials for that website. We use the Facebook, so it's right here. Now we can edit the username as well as the password. There's also option to preview your password, but for that you will need to have your lock screen and unlock your device. So here's the password. We can also click on this bin button to remove the password from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.